Today we are solving exercise 1.2 of IGCSE core and extended by Karen Morrison. So let's start with question number 1. In question number 1, they are asking rewrite each of these statements using mathematical symbols. Mathematical symbols can be greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, and also they are using here a symbol therefore. For therefore we will use 3 dots. Okay, so in A part they are asking 19 is less than 45. So let's quickly solve all of these. So when you want to show 19 is less than 45, keep in mind the number which is less, we will always put the pointed side towards it. Okay, it's like the alligator mouth. If you have learned this trick in your school, that we represent this as an alligator mouth, this is a mouth, and mouth is always open to something which is more in quantity. So if they say, if you want to write 45 is greater than 19, so keep in mind 45 is here and 19 is here. So keep in mind that now you will face it like this, because this number is bigger, so the bigger opening will always face this side. Okay, in B part they are saying that 12 plus 18 is equal to 30. So this is a kind of a equation. So 12 plus 18 equals to 30. Then in C they are saying that 0.5 equals to 1 upon 2. Yeah, we know that both of them represents a half is equals to 1 by 2. These are super easy. And then they are saying that 0.8 is not equal to 0.0. So 0.8, and for not equal you will first put equal to sign and then cut it, not equal to 8.0. Then they are saying that E, negative 34 is less than 2 times negative 16. Okay, for times I put this multiplication sign. Okay, in F they are asking that therefore the number x equals to square root of 72. So for therefore I'll put these 3 dots, one on the top and 2 in the bottom. Therefore x equals to under root of 72. Then G is equals to number x is less than or equal to. For less than and equal to, you put this equal to under this less than sign, so it makes a less than and equal to negative 45. For H they say that pi is approximately equal to. So for pi approximately equal to, I don't have any symbol here, so I can just write here approx equal to. Okay, approx in the bracket you can say, and it is equal to 3.14. In I they are asking 5.1 is greater than 5.01. So 5.1 is greater than 5.01. And then we have J. In J they are saying that the sum of 3 and 4 is not equal to the product of 3 and 4. Yeah, we know this. Sum of 3 and 4 is not equal to the product of 3 and 4. Okay, so for product I put the multiplication sign, and for sum I put the addition sign. Okay, then K is that the difference between 12 and negative 12 is greater than 12. Difference means subtraction. So the difference between 12, difference is represented by this minus sign, and negative 12 is itself a negative number. So there are 2 minus in this sentence, is greater than 12. So for greater I'll put this sign and then 12. The sum of negative 12 and negative 24 is less than 0. So the sum of negative 12, sum means plus, and again for negative 24 I'll put a bracket, because if I'll write 2 side by side it will become confusing. So this looks way better, right? And then last we have M. In M they are asking that the product of 12 and a number x is approximately negative 40. So keep in mind, when you want to show the product of any number with x, you will just write the number with x, like 12x. Again there is approx, so you can use in the bracket approx equal to negative 40. Now let's start question number 2. In question number 2, we are gonna state if the given statement is true or false. Okay, so in A part they are saying 0.5999 is greater than 6.0. Definitely a number which has the whole number part 0 cannot be greater than. So this one is definitely a false. Okay, then B is 5 times 1999 is approximately equal to 10,000. We cannot first of all use a calculator in this question. So we cannot directly say by looking at this number. So because they are talking about the approximation, so for approximation I can just take the estimated value, which is equals to 2,000. So if I multiply these two together, 5 2 is 10. So yeah, I will get this value. Okay, so this one is approximately, for approximation this one is true. Okay, next they are asking 8.1 is equals to 8 whole 1 upon 10. So keep in mind that 1 upon 10 is, yes, it is equals to 0.1. So this one is also true. Now we are doing D. 6.2 plus 4.3 is 4.3 plus 6.2. So yeah, addition is commutative. So this is also true. So in E they are asking that 20 times 9 is greater than equal to 21 times 8. So yeah, this is also true. It is not equal to, but yeah, it is greater. So this is also true. Okay, then F is 6.0 is equal to 6. So yeah, this is true. Only in rounding topic, when we are rounding to the nearest 10, then we cannot say that 6 is equal to 6.0. Other than that, this is a true statement. Okay, then G is negative 12 is greater than negative 4. This is false, because we know in negative numbers this one is greater. Okay, 19.9 is less than or equal to 20. So this is true, because definitely this is not equal to, but this is less than. So I is 1000 is greater than 199 times 5. Yeah, this is actually a bit less, because if I will make it 200 times 5, then this will be equal to, but right now because this is not 200, this is only 199, so this is less. So yeah, this is also true. Okay, then J is under root of 16 is 4. Yes, it is under root. Okay, then we have 35 times 5 times 2 is not equal to 350. So first let's quickly solve it. First, these two are easy. 5 2s are 10, and 10 times 35 is 350, and it is equal. So this is wrong. Okay, then we have L. 20 divided by 4 equals to 5 divided by 20. So this is definitely false, because division is not commutative, and also they have changed the numbers. Then we have 20 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 20. This is true, because subtraction is not commutative. And then we have N. 20 times 4 is not equals to 4 times 20. This is false, because this is equal. So in this way we are done with exercise 1.2. If you have any queries, you can comment, and also subscribe to my channel, because I will be uploading all the solutions time to time. So please do like the video and subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.